Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Alexandria, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right at the wall about 6 feet over to the right of that window. And I'll show you exactly what's causing this leak. Again, here's the window. The leak is right about right here. Okay, I put that stick right there as a marker. So the leak would be, here's the exterior wall, so that leak would be like right about here. And I'll show you. Now take a look at the ridge. You see that shingle lifting up? That's the source of the problem, and I'll show you why. See, that nail, all the water's getting in through here, and then the water's traveling underneath the shingles and settling all the way down near the gutter line. So all we have to do is just refasten this shingle, and then we're going to seal underneath it really well with polyurethane, and then that will stop the leak. Again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair in all areas of Alexandria and Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.